In the intricate dance of global supply chains, one misstep can cause a cascade of disruptions. Yet aerospace giant Boeing orchestrates over 3 million parts worldwide with precision. How can your company emulate this success? Start by consolidating suppliers to wield greater leverage and simplify complexity. Embrace technologies like 3D printing to bring essential manufacturing in-house, ensuring quality and cost control. Forge strategic partnerships, aligning objectives for a harmonious supply chain. And never stop fine-tuning your sourcing strategies and logistics to improve productivity. Imagine your parts and assembly lines moving in perfect unison, guided by lean principles. It's time to take a page from Boeing's playbook, transforming your procurement and production into an optimized, innovative operation. Your company's symphony is ready to be composed. Are you prepared to conduct a masterpiece? Explore www.scm.jobs.